Buongiorno, oggi parliamo del sì impersonale. Let's start from checking out some sentences, some examples. In Italia si va a scuola di sabato. Per cucinare la pasta si butta nell'acqua bollente. Per imparare una lingua si studia tutti i giorni. A scuola si fanno molti esami. In Canada si parlano due lingue, l'inglese e il francese. Now, if we want to try and translate them into English, how could we do? The first one, for example, in Italia si va a scuola di sabato. In Italy, everybody goes to school on Saturdays. Or maybe in Italy, you go to school on Saturdays. What about the second one? To make pasta, you throw it in boiling water. To learn a language, one studies every day. At school, everybody takes many exams. In Canada, they speak two languages, English and French. As you can see, we have many different ways for translating these sentences into English. And there's just one big question here. Chi è il soggetto? Who's the subject in these sentences? Sometimes we used everybody, sometimes we used you, sometimes we used one or they. So the answer is, it's not a specific person. It could be anyone. That's why we call it sì impersonale. Now, what kind of sentences are these? It's verità condivise, possibilità o norme. So it's something that is true for everybody, something that is possible, or rules, norms. Come si forma il sì impersonale? How do we build up this form? Let's have a look at the example we had before. In Italia si va a scuola di sabato. Si va is our sì impersonale. So how do we make it up? Use si and we add va, which is la terza persona singolare of the verb andare. Let's have a look at another example. A scuola si fanno molti esami. In this case, we have si fanno. Fanno refers to molti esami, which is plural. Therefore, we use si plus terza persona plurale this time. So according to what comes next, it could be singolare, like the first example, or plurale, like the second one. Now, since we said we're talking about verità condivise, possibilità o norme, we're going to use a lot these two verbs, potere, dovere. Can, must, have to. Per esempio, a scuola non si può fumare. At school you can't smoke. A scuola non si possono comprare alcolici. You cannot buy alcohol. A scuola si devono rispettare le regole. You have to follow the rules. A scuola si deve entrare in classe prima che suoni la campanella. You have to get into the classroom before the bell rings. Alla scuola Bel Air si possono studiare 11 lingue straniere. At Bel Air you can study 11 foreign languages. Alla scuola Bel Air non si può studiare il portoghese. You cannot study Portuguese. Please check out how the form of the verb is plurale in sentences where the object is plurale and it's singolare when the object is singolare. Are you ready for some practice? Facciamo pratica. Please complete these sentences and bring them back to school tomorrow. Grazie, arrivederci. Oh, and if you find out the meaning of this sentence, we'll discuss this in class tomorrow too.